Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will be making a delicious one-pot meal. I have a pack of jambalaya rice. I'm going to use it to make a one-pot meal. The season I will be using is onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, paprika, and also all-purpose seasoning to season my meat and also season the rice. Before we go to that recipe, guys, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like these. Okay, let's do this. This is my chicken breast I'm seasoning. Also, this is my beef. I'm just using about quarter pound of beef strip. I will be also using some turkey sausage. This is just a quick and easy recipe, guys. Now I'm going to prepare my tomato sauce for my recipe. I'm going to put my tomato in the processor with a piece of called Scotch bonnet pepper, and then make my sauce and then move on to the next step. Okay, this is my tomato sauce, guys. This is what it looked like. My skillet is warm up. I'm gonna go ahead and add my oil. I'm using olive oil. And now I'm gonna put some color on my chicken. I don't want my chicken to dry it out. I just want it to brown and cook about maybe 90% of the way before I add it to the rice. When I add it to the rice, it will cook the other 5%. This is my beef strip, guys. Now I'm gonna cook my beef strip with a little chicken stock for about maybe 5 minutes to get it tender as I want on low heat. Now that my beef is finished cooking, I'm going to caramelize my onion with a little tomato paste and then prepare the other step of ingredients for the rice. Now I'm adding my tomato sauce, which I make earlier. Guys, if you want to see more videos like these, guys, remember to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Now I'm adding some of the mixed seasoning I make earlier to the sauce, preparing the sauce for the rice, guys. also adding some thyme to the pot to give it some rich flavor. Okay, now it's time to add the star of the show. I'm using a pack of jambalaya rice and red lentils. I will be also adding 1/4 cup of basmati rice. Now we're gonna let our rice toast in this sauce. Also we're gonna add 2 cups of chicken stock and also 2.5 cups of water and let this cook before we add our meat. I am going to let it cook for about 20 minutes just because it having the lentils. The lentils will take a little longer to cook than the rice. So about 20 minutes is good enough cooking time. Everything looking good, guys. Now is the time to add my protein. I'm adding my chicken, also my beef, and also my turkey sausage, and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Now I'm combining everything together and let it cook for another 5 minutes on extremely low heat. As a matter of fact, just steam for about 5 minutes. And then that's it. I am adding some green onion, otherwise known as scallion. And this is my 1-pot recipe, guys, with jambalaya rice. Smelling good, tasting even better.